everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, already unboxed this because I had to look at it because I knew I wasn't filming right away and I was dying to see this palette. But anyways, came in this box. Can you guys guess what it is? What did I get? What? Oh. Ooh. Well, I'll let you know what I got. It is a little friend called ColourPop. So I ordered a palette. And I love their packaging because they just like cover everything in bubble wrap. So I got two things, you see. One was free. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know it's their birthday month. And well, I got the Super Shock Shadow and birthday treat. And I'm loving the packaging on this. I have already swatched this one, I'll be honest. So when I show this to you guys, yes, there is a fingerprint in this because I've already swatched it. So, super stoked. But like I said, I really like it. It's like watermelon-y here with the greens and then the pink with the seeds. So yeah, let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. Birthday treat. Now, ColourPop has been around for 5 years, so this is their 5th birthday. So this is what their little 5th birthday casing looks like. Super cute. Super red. Has a little watermelon seeds on it even. Which, I don't know why you would do watermelons for your birthday, but hey, it's whatever you want to do. So this is it. And I'm just going to swatch this for you guys. Just right there. Do you see it? It's like a super pretty peachy color. Like a peach, what is it? It's like a peach, a shimmery peach. Yeah. But I like it. I thought it was cute. So, that is that color. Next, you guys ready to see what I ordered? I'm so ready to show you guys. First, I gotta twist this on. Da 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 da, dun dun dun. I got the watermelon palette. I'm super excited for this. So let's take a. Should I do a thumbnail like this? Should I? Who knows? Should I? I so did. Took a thumbnail with this one. But anyways, it's called Main Squeeze by ColourPop. Now, I just love this one. I've only swatched a few of them, but I haven't like, shoot. It just fell all the way out and is literally under my table on the other side. Hold on. You guys, this is crazy. I can't believe I dropped it already. And I feel like just a couple videos ago, I dropped a whole other palette. What is with me and dropping my palettes everywhere? Anyways, Main Squeeze. It came with this nice like foamy on it. And it comes with a mirror. So yeah. So, I'm going to name you them and swatch them. Sorry, there's some old swatches there. Oops. Anyways, the first color we have is Froze, like a rosy A color. Oh gosh, I'm really swatching this. Like a frozen rosé. Doesn't that sound yummy? Next we have Juicy Fruit, which is this really pretty like golden color. Which I have a lot of gold, but I didn't let that keep me back from buying this palette because I don't really have any red eyeshadows and I really wanted some reds in my life. This is called Home Slice. So and these are workable, like you can work these up and they're gonna look killer. Like look at Home Slice right here. Isn't that a gorgeous color? It's like a pretty red. It's like a summery red. Hence why it's watermelon. Next, it's Like It Hot. Like It's Hot. These are really swatched now. Like It Hot's going to be on my... See how similar those are? Like, this one's a little bit deeper. This one's a little more vibrant, and it has a little more shimmer to it. Home Slice does than Like It's Hot. Ugh. Next is Marshallino. I can't pronounce that, so I'm so sorry. But it's gonna go right there. Am I going the right way with this? Or is this supposed to be up like that? No. I need to drag them down further. Okay, well, anyways, there's that one. The next one I am seeing, let me dust my fingers off. Wipe them, dry them, because I don't want makeup remover in my eyeshadow. Next one I am going to do is called Big Gulp. I have not swatched this one yet. It's like a... I don't know how I feel about this one. It's like a brownie. Dang it, I really... Okay, so my hand's this way. I need to pull down that way more. Okay, so my... There we... I will get better at swatching, I promise, in the future. So this one is Big Gulp. And it's kind of like a brownish red. Yeah. Next one is Seed Money, because... You all know we need seed money. That means money. I don't know why I just said that because that made no sense. Like, what is seed money? This one, I kind of got a little close to that one. Oh my gosh, what is with me and my swatches? I need to go down this way, I think. Oh gosh, look at that swatch. It's like curving. You guys, just like wasting more eyeshadow because I'm oh my gosh. I can't swatch today. Look at the swatch. It is so messy. Okay, well, anyways, this one is Seed Money. This one, not this one. This one's Seed Money. All right, next I have two more. Then I'm done. I have Baywatch, which looks amazing. I'm just going to start doing that. And still, it's not even... like I really gotta get better at this one. So this one right here is Baywatch. And next is Red Bottoms. There we go. This one is Red Bottoms. And it's more of an orangey red, if you can't tell. So there are our lovely swatches. Sorry for the messy ones. I have attempted to swatch. And so far, I'm really liking these two colors. They're the ones that are standing out the most to me. And I really like this color up here. They're like my favorites. But I also like this one because I think it's going to be a great color for this palette to deepen up the shades. So yeah, let's see if they stain. You guys ready? Bet you anything they stain. Beware, my makeup wipe is a little dirty. Ugh. Oh, now I look like a red person. I look like I have like a... Hold on. Let's wipe it off more. Like, I kind of look like I got a little burnt in the sun. Oops. Oh well. Well, anyways, that's all I want to show you. Were these colors. So here they are again. As you can tell now, it's officially, I've swatched them all. And I'm still really liking Like It's Hot and Home Slice. And I like the rosé one. Or frosé. Rose. Like a frozen rosé. Really am liking that one. And Baywatch. Those ones seem to be like drawing me into this palette. And I'm super excited because I have some rainbow eyeshadows that I want to like put together and do. And now I have the reds from this palette to do so. I'm super excited to do a rainbow eyeshadow look. So excited. I was waiting on red palette, man. A cheap red palette. Because I know there's like red palettes out there. But I wanted one that was affordable. Because what if I don't like red eyeshadows? Like, come on. But I think I'm going to like this. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you want to see an eyeshadow tutorial with just maybe this palette, leave a like down below. And now I'm throwing away or throwing this, can't even talk, throwing this around the box. Well, anyways, if you want to see me do a tutorial with it, please leave a like in the comments. You can't leave a like in the comments unless somebody comments on something and you like it, but that's not going to happen because nobody ever comments. But that's okay. I'm okay with that. I have one friend, and she comments on my videos, and she is amazing because she keeps me going. Well, anyways, here are my ColourPop items that I received, and if you want to see a look with this palette main squeeze, leave a like.